Antarctica, a land of ice and mystery, holds within its frozen heart some of the most critical secrets of our planet. And nestled within this icy expanse lies the infamous Thwaites Glacier, ominously dubbed the Doomsday Glacier. This colossal ice sheet has captured the attention of scientists worldwide due to its potential to drastically alter global sea levels. An uncrewed underwater vehicle, tasked with exploring the enigmatic depths beneath the Thwaites Glacier, utilizes state-of-the-art sensors to navigate the treacherous waters beneath the 200 to 500 meter, or 700 to 1600 feet of thick ice. Its mission: to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the ice, providing crucial insights into the mechanisms driving the glacier's rapid melt. The Uncrewed submersible allows us to witness firsthand the changes occurring beneath the surface of the Thwaites Glacier. It provides us with invaluable data that satellite imagery alone cannot capture. For years, the UUV has been a vital tool in the study of Antarctica glaciers. But on its latest expedition, it mysteriously vanished during a routine dive. Despite extensive search efforts, the UUV remains elusive, lost somewhere beneath the ice. The scientist teams say, "It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, with no knowledge of where the haystack even lies." The submersible batteries have gone dead, leaving us with more questions than answers. We know more about space than what lies beneath the depths of our oceans, and the submerged under the ice realms of Antarctica makes no exception. So who knows what could the uncrewed vehicle might have found in the deep water under the ice that caused it to disappear? A labyrinth of icy caves? Some unknown underwater creature? Aliens? For now, this is all a mystery. All we know is that something unexpected happened under the ice. We suspect it ran into trouble, and then something prevented it from getting out. As the team comes to terms with the UUV's likely demise, they vow to continue their research, replacing the lost submersible and pushing forward in their quest to unlock the secrets of the Doomsday Glacier. As the quest for knowledge in the icy depths of Antarctica continues, the mysteries of the lost UUV remain shrouded under the Thwaites Glacier. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep expanding the boundaries of knowledge.